Okay, here's this 73FX shovelhead is for sale. Being sold by a customer, which means I got to help him sell it. This one we stripped down a few months ago and swapped out that frame right over there. This one has good numbers on it. So anyway, it's got a good running motor. This spike is mock-up only, is not to be ridden this direction. We just unbolted the frame, put it back together. We didn't do any maintenance to it or things like gaskets and oil and stuff like that. All the parts, you should have stuff in there. So the bike would have to be taken apart and gone through completely. The whole front brake assembly I never looked at, it don't work. The back brake did work, I think, but I don't remember. Yeah, it's got a brake. So anyway, watch the video in the playlist and you'll see it. 73 shovelhead frame swap playlist. And you'll see every nut and bolt on it. So there's the VIN number for it. Right there. And the other one right down there. So they're both 73 VIN numbers, but they are about 500 numbers apart. So anyway, it's for sale. So there you go, there's the other side. It's cosmetically challenged, but it's an FXE. There you go. Where's our paperwork over here? So he paid a bunch of money to have it registered in California, and they wanted more money yet. Look at that. So don't register this in California unless you want to pay an extra $750. Damn, that's a rip off.
And they wanted the $550 because I already paid that plus the.
Oh, you only owe $186 now?
No. That's what I paid.
Oh.
Plus there's
the $561 up there is what you owe. So.
There you go.
So if you register this bike in California, you're gonna have to pay another $561 in fees on top of the registration swap, which shouldn't be that much now because you already paid $186 of it.
Yeah, it's just the $561.
So anyway, there's your VIN number right there for the frame. The motor number is, how come they don't have the engine number on here?
I have no idea.
That's a custom job.
Maybe it's with some of the other paperwork.
Anyway, we did this back in, that's June of '92 expiration. I don't think so. We did work on this bike, I don't even remember. 3-4 months ago. So, anyway, it's waiting to go. Hey, you trying to, this is not an Indian. Indian guy. He's looking to get a real bike, a Harley. All right, so this has got kicking electric, the kicker arm somewhere floating around. I don't know where it is. It comes with it. I use a starter. So anyway, go watch the playlist. That's the best way of doing it. So let's see if this thing runs. It hasn't run, and we haven't started this thing in 9 months. So see what happens. Here, you're in charge of that.
All right, Ken, I'll talk to you then.
You blowing out of here?
Yeah, I got a wife on the phone.
You got it live.
Yeah, wifey. I call her wifey.
All right, your bike's next.
She wants to do a visual. She wants to check me out, look me over, see if I got any hickeys on my neck. So I told her I couldn't do it right now because I'm moving the bike.
All right, well, we're filming, so watch out. All right. See some leaks in him.
All right, buddy.
Choke it on. I recall that cinder pump didn't work. Felt better. Just have just a regular starter button on? I don't even remember.
Yeah.
It did work until it stopped. Oh, this had that circuit breaker issue. I remember.
Oh, yeah.
Clicks on and off. Electrical issue somewhere. Does she go off again or does she just want to run? Circuit breaker. Gotta wait for it to click. Click. Nice.
Do I need to put a new circuit breaker on it?
I don't know why it's popping. I'll give it one more shot. Shot died. You get a screwdriver. No, standby. Okay, I just did the circuit breaker bypass there. So I got tired of the circuit breaker popping on and off. I want the bike to run. Whoa. It's hot. A lot of amperage going through that Wire warm already. It still popped off.
It's smoking now.
She's warm. Alright, try something different. Come back. I ain't touching it. Okay, we got a screwdriver. So this will bypass the circuit breaker down in here with high load. We'll have high amperage. It should start. Couldn't be that fresh gas. Everyone's good. No oil. It's good. Didn't make any mess. I like that.
Out the carburetor.
Big gas because I might need to rebuild on the carburetor. Runs good. No oil leakage. Good strong running motor. Ran out of gas. Nice strong pulse in each cylinder. Good fire, nice. Motor's good. Electrical's got some issues. Carburetor needs a rebuild. There is no accelerator pump on that motor. That's taking the throttle without accelerator pump. But anyway, it works pretty good. Nice, good, strong motor. Rest of the bike needs help. The motor is good. So you want to make a chopper, hack it up, put a rigid frame on the back, you got a good strong powertrain. I think I heard it up on the rack riding, so the transmission all worked as I recall. Like I said, it's been sitting for at least 4 months, so that's not too bad. I don't know why it pops the circuit breaker when trying to start it. Everything else seems to work correctly. You know, no issues, obviously, when it's running. So, I don't know. It ain't happy. But anyway, it needs a rebuild. It's not, like I said, it's not a rider the way it is. You're going to have to work on the bike. So, you know, there it is. It's good to go. If you're interested in it, there's his phone number. Give him a call. Name's Smitty. It's in San Diego, California. So, shipping's up to figure out you. I'd recommend not registering in California unless you want to pay a lot of fees. So, but, you know, it's up to you. If you want to pay your fees, you can do what you want. It's got the banana calipers front and back for 73. all correct for 73. It's got 5-gallon tanks on it, which are not correct, but people like that. Other than that, it's a stock 73 FXE, kick and electric, all your normal junk. Check out that custom speedometer. Is that the original mileage, 8,700? Original mileage for the speedometer, anyway. So, anyway, there you go. It's already, you know, all the numbers are good. So, got a basic. It's got a good title. It just has to be registered into your name. So, anyway, that's it.